to the third of our demonstrations of the Web Mashup and Metadata Scripting Language, or WMSL. In our last demonstration, we showed how to generate XSLT from the mapping relations we created in our WMSL web page. In this video, we will demonstrate how those same mapping relations also serve to generate the mediated schema needed for our data integration. Again, we see our WMSL web page that contains the mapping relations we created for our use case. To begin, we click on the Generate Integrated Schema button. Now let's take a closer look at the schema we've generated. We see the MAF, the CAF, and the GeoTrans schemas that we've imported. To generate our mediated schema, first we must select one of the legacy schema to serve as our base schema. For this use case, we have selected the CAF schema to serve as our base. WMSL will use the CAF schema as the starting point when generating our mediated schema. As additions to the CAF schema, we see new XML schema definitions. For instance, here we have MAF call sign and CAF call sign name, which have been listed under the equivalent class mapping relation. We see that, because the two values are of simple type, a new schema type has been created as the union of their definitions. In this way, equivalent class mapping can expand the value space of simple types. A similar union of MAF event time and CAF event start time has also been created. Now let's see what is being generated by the subclass of and has relation mapping relations. Here we see that UTM-WGE has relation to datum and that UTM-WGE is a subclass of UTM-coord. This enables the creation of a new type, UTM-WGE, that extends UTM-coord with a datum element. WMSL also defines a merge operation of elements defined in two different schemas through the has-match, has-context mapping, as in this example, MAF-coord and CAF-coord. So again, what we have seen here is that the mapping relations that we articulated in the WMSL web page are also used to generate the mediated schema necessary for integration. Thank you for joining me on this quick overview.